Yeah. Welcome, 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 welcome. You've seen now, this is our storeroom. You've seen the storeroom is where we are in now. What we are doing in the storeroom is we are doing now the packaging. We're packaging. This is ready. Those who like to eat anointed potatoes, please claim your bakes. They're here on the storeroom. They're ready. Claim your bakes, claim your bakes, claim your bakes. Order now, before it becomes too late, because the demand is too higher. You must order. You must put your own order, that before it become too late. We receiving people already order that we're putting aside. Your order, we're waiting for your order before you miss the anointed potatoes that gives life, health, solution, even wealth. Even the bedroom, it will be peace. Thank you for joining us. Make your own order before it becomes too late. The anointed potatoes is ready for you. Thank you. This somebody order yours, will deliver for you. Thank you. Bye-bye.